too bright right there. I think I might doing like a beats only. What do you think, lady? I'm gonna apply so and tie that. Because I'm gonna cap this completely. And this 3D is the tag V. Can you able to seeing it? Okay, great. So I'm gonna do a no wipe top coat. And the top of the uncured condensed glue gels. And also cap completely nails except on the top of the 3D gels. Just right in the center because I'm going to put some beads on it. Should I do some gold beads, silver beads? I'm going to using this ginger brush. I will adjusting a little bit and make it looks more natural looks. But you can place them wherever you prefer. I think it's gonna be fun either way. Hope you're enjoying it. It's so fun though. It's like we all is doing some fun, cool designs every single time. Challenge yourself to be different instead of always doing the same things over and over. There's one more. The flowers. Great. If you're happy, this one I'm gonna pop it up later. If you're happy with this, we are going to cure this for 60 seconds. Oh, hold on, my beads right here. I need 1 bead, 2 beads right there. Can't forget that. I just let it just cover randomly. I like it like that, unless you want something different. So great. Here for 60 seconds, everyone. Yeah, Nuna, I don't know. Let me send it to you too, Foxy. Yeah, I sent it to Foxy already. Thank you, True Janice. I love it. How, you know what? It just mean a lot to us, like to see you ladies becomes really good soul together and support each other. It's amazing. It's a beautiful thing, you know. It's not only we learn it together, but we are like really connect together. It's amazing. Just imagine is that we don't have the technologies like back then. How can we vote to get hold of each other? It's amazing. I just sent a message to her already. So I will do a double secure all of that beads and flowers with my precision glue in my hands right now. I'm going to double secure it first. Each time I'm just using just a little bit. And if I get the extra precision glue, I am going to using a twin tip brush. It will blend it out nicely, so that way it looks flawless. Even I would do like sometime I have my 3D flowers for the clients, and some of the petals will be a little bit raised up. I would seal it in without affects any look, but then it will keep it nice and not from catching their hair or their clothes. Twin tip brush. I think I dropped the red cap. Blend it. I just dropped the red cap, just got good catch. Blend that nicely. Great. And I will keep this for 60 seconds. Don't forget to put the red caps on, because you don't want to spill it and clog the pins of it. Yeah, it's absolutely. We can send you the DM for use when we go live. Hey, Spamolix, hi Diva. Thank you, Sin Flowers. Thank you, lady. It's so awesome to have all of you. Whitney, thank you so much. If you are watching still, so that is a few look we did. We did this 2 look. And this is another 2 look that I did earlier to play with all of you. So then if you put the little milky gel polish on it, then it looks like a milky look. But if you want to put the shimmery transparent colors shimmeries on it, and you're going to show like pink on the top of the white. This is his nails.